Morning students. In the previous video we discussed about the simple present tense. In this video I will give you knowledge about the present continuous tense. So let's see and get information about what is present continuous tense. Let us discuss what is a present continuous tense. बच्चे present continuous tense expresses the ongoing action or task of the present. Okay, present continuous tense beta indicates an action taking place or is in progress at the time of speaking. Means जो एक्शन से जिस सेंटेंस से हमें ये पता चलता है कि ये जो एक्शन हो रहा है वो अभी चल रहा है और फ्यूचर तक चलेगा, दैट इज द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. मीन्स आई एम स्टडिंग. अब राइट नाउ आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप स्टडी कर रहे हो ना, तो यू आर studying. Okay, I am teaching you present continuous tense. Ab right now what I am doing? I am teaching you present continuous tense. So this action is going on, right? Abhi wo cheez ho rahi hai. So this is the present continuous tense. It is also called present progressive tense. Okay, like see the example is given here. I am eating the meal. मैं meal means खाना, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. So this is going on. ये अभी चल रहा है, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. Let's see the sentence structure of present continuous tense. How to make the present continuous tense, how to frame the sentence into present continuous tense and the rules. There are three forms of sentences, like the positive form is there, negative form is there, and the question form is there. Let's see the structure in these three forms of the present continuous tense. First, positive form. Positive form, the rule is subject plus is am-are. Beta be form of verb, I told you earlier also that be form of verb are the helping verbs used in a tense. Now be form of verb in present tense is am-are. So subject plus is am-are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. This is the structure of the positive sentence in present continuous tense. Now if we have to form the negative sentence of present continuous tense, the structure will be subject plus is am-are plus not. As you know that negative sentence is formed when not is applied. So plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Now if we have to form the interrogative sentences, is am-are means the forms of verb, the be form of verb will come first. Is am-are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus the object. Let's take few more examples. See the structure of the positive sentence. Subject plus is am-are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Example, he is playing football. Now beta here see he is the subject. Now with he, what do we apply? Is, am or are? He is singular, so he is will be applied with he. He is, play is the first form, ing plus object football. He is playing football. Now in the negative sentence, subject plus is am-are plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. He, subject, he is not playing football. He is the subject, is applied with he, then not for negative, play first form ing and then the object football. In the interrogative sentence, is am-are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Now is he playing football? Is will come first. He is the subject, play is the first form, ing will be applied with a continuous tense and football is the object. Now see more examples. Actions happening now. He is playing football now. Beta, these are some of the examples of the present continuous tense. These type of sentences also are included in present continuous tense, like the words now, at the moment, and they are very recently, nowadays, these days. All these are included in present continuous tense. Okay, actions that is already planned. He is watching movie with his friends next Sunday. Now this is a planning that he is watching movie. He will watch movie next Sunday. He is watching movie with the friend next Sunday. For changing situations, the climate is getting hotter each year. Okay, now it's changing situation that the climate is getting hotter. Okay, then for expressing time at the moment of speaking, we are performing our duty at the moment. इस मोमेंट पे हम अपनी ड्यूटी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. So such types of sentences are also included in present continuous tense. Let us see few examples of the present continuous tense positive sentences. I am washing my shirt. Now here बच्चे see I is the subject. Am we always use with I am. You know that very well. So I am. Wash is the first form of verb, then ing, and my shirt is the object. I am washing my shirt. She is sleeping. Now beta singular, when there is singular subject we always use is. So she is the subject, is the helping verb, sleep is the first form, and ing is applied with it. Kids are playing cricket. Now beta see the subject is plural, kids. So with kids we will not use is or am, we will use are. Kids are, play is the first form, then ing, then object is the cricket. They are walking in the lawn. Similarly they subject is am are में से are आएगा, walk first form, ing, and in the lawn is the object. Similarly the other sentences, he is writing a letter, you are eating some food, I am preparing myself for competition, he is drinking water. Now let's see few examples of the negative sentences of present continuous tense. He is not sleeping. Now बच्चे see, these are the negative sentences, so not is must. So he is the subject, is am are में से क्या आएगा, is आएगा because he is singular. Okay, then not, then sleep is the first form of verb, and then ing. Okay, similarly she is not studying her books, then they are not coming to school. Now beta here they is a plural subject, so with plural subject we, in present continuous tense we use are. They are not coming to school. I के साथ हमेशा am use होता है, you know it. So I am not appreciating you, I am not replying her, he is not asking any question, they are not waiting for you, she is not laughing. Now let's take few examples of the interrogative sentences. Are you listening to me? Now beta, as I told you earlier, as per the rule of the interrogative sentences of present continuous tense, is am are will be at the first. Now here you is here, so with you we will use is am or are. Right, we will use are. Are you listening to me? Is he calling you? Are you laughing at me? Are they running on the road? Is she planning about her studies? Let's see how to convert the simple present tense, that is present indefinite tense, to present continuous tense. But just have a look at these sentences. The first sentence is we play football. Now just think and tell me which tense is this. We play football. Just apply the rule. We have done simple present tense. We is the subject, play is the first form of the verb, and football is the object. So this is simple present tense. Then if we want to convert this sentence into simple present continuous tense, we will apply the rule of present continuous tense, that is subject plus is am are plus verb first form ing plus the object. Now we is the subject. अब we के साथ if we have to change it into present continuous tense, we have to use the helping verb is am are. तो we के साथ क्या use होगा? are use होगा. Then play is the first form, then ing, and then object football. I sit on an old chair. I am sitting on an old chair. They watch a movie. They are watching a movie. Afra looks at the door. Afra is looking at the door. She goes to a flower shop. Beta, she is the subject, goes is the first form of the verb, and to a flower shop is the object. So change it into present continuous. she के साथ helping verb आएगा is, going, go के साथ ing आ गया, and then object to a flower shop. He reads a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper.